This is it, guys. This is it. The real reason why I haven't done any videos is because I've been busy, like just real busy. I was having trouble with the camera. The settings were all messed up. I don't know if I fixed it because I'm not really a tech guy. But there just hasn't been a whole lot to report on. But now, on the eve of Triple D launching tomorrow, I'm feeling good. I am feeling good, and I apologize that I haven't done more videos. It's not because I don't believe in drip or anything like that. Not that that's what you guys thought, but I just, dealing with all kinds of stuff. By the way, Topo Chico, who knows about this? Best soda water you can get. It's actually not soda water. It's sparkling mineral water. By the way, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Also, if you get anything from the content, hit that like button. It'll take just a couple seconds. One of the things that I did the other day is I started a new wallet for like $230, something like that. You can start a brand new wallet with 1,000 drip in it. For those that have been in the protocol for a while, you guys know what the thousand drip mark. That was like the thing to shoot for when you were a small minnow. So to be able to just drop $230 and get 1,000 drip to start off, I mean, it's crazy to me, because I was just so used to that being the pinnacle of like, all right, I'm really taking this thing seriously. I've compounded my way up to 1,000 drip. It was huge. But who knows what is going to happen with Triple D. I've talked to a few people, some people that have been doing some of the testing, and some of the numbers that they're saying this thing could reach it sounds promising, but you never know. Point is, I have a feeling we're going to see some price appreciation. And so I wanted to get in, one last time, start a wallet with the prices this low, because I'm banking on the fact that we're not going to go any lower. What do you guys think? Do you think like we've made it? And you think we're going to hit $1? Keep in mind, this Triple D thing, we got to participate. I got a few $100 ready for tomorrow just to, start adding fresh capital to it. We got to participate. I don't even know how to play it. I haven't been keeping up, but I just know that if everyone is playing it just a little bit every day, some magic is going to happen. And going back to me not making videos, I mean, there really has been, I have been really busy, for my business that I run. It's probably been a year since I've actually been out marketing for it, because Raquel got sick and just this last year. And then of course, the past 7 months, I just haven't gotten out there. So I've been really having to get myself back out there, because I gotta pay some attention to my business, my bread and butter. It would really be nice if drip takes off right now, because I am very close to a max wallet. And how great would that be if we start seeing drip in, and it's dollars of drip, and it's in dollars, not cents. It's been a rough year. I know a lot of you out there, we all have troubles, right? We all have stuff that we're dealing with that it's life can hit hard, man. You can get kicked in the teeth, by life. And, I certainly, have had a difficult year. And wouldn't this be just amazing if we finally get a string of wins under our belt? Triple D, it's here, it's happening. Now, most people know now, I know when it comes to Forex and when it comes to him doing launches, he doesn't have a very good track record. Apparently, this is going to be different, but they say that with all of them. Don't be surprised. I'm going to be surprised, and I'm going to be disappointed if it doesn't launch tomorrow, but I'm not going to be shocked. All right. That's how I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to be shocked, because we've done this too many times for us to think that it's going to go off without a hitch. But every time we do this, I think this time's going to be different. I feel like I'm in an abusive relationship. Always making an excuse. So anyway, I'm going to do my best to get back and doing, more videos. Miss you guys. Love when you guys comment down below. So as Stunner would say, the notification gang, you guys are amazing. And I'm pumped. So let's get this. Let's get this. And I will catch all of you on the next one.